How you all doing? What we're getting up to in this video. This is a 1988 CBR1000F and we're going to be removing the engine and totally stripping down the engine in less than 10 minutes. Oh, nearly took my fingers off. When you try to remove an engine, don't put your fingers in the frame. Yes. Let's remove the cylinder head. Now let's remove the cylinder block. Now let's remove the water pump. Let's remove the sump cover. then, let's get this engine finished and get the two engine crankcases open. See a British Bulldog in this video? Please leave a comment as to where you see it. And that's the Honda CBR1000F engine stripped into 100 pieces or more. And if you're a newcomer to this channel, this is what the CBR1000F looks like now. How you all doing? Welcome to Johnny's CBR test ride. Right then, let's do the bike walk. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy all your thumbs up, I enjoy all your comments, and I enjoy all your shares and follows. So look after yourself, stay well, stay safe, and on that note,
I'll see you in another life, brother.
I'll see you on the next one.